faucet that is dripping and will not stop dripping, and you need to get this handle off, and that little Allen key in there is either cross-threaded or stripped and you can't get it out, then you're only left with one option and you've got to drill it out. So the size Allen key that you need is 1/8 or 3.5 millimeters. And if you don't have that, you're going to strip it. So make sure you have that. If you're buying a trim kit, they're going to include an Allen key in that trim kit. And you want to use that Allen key. If it's stripped, you're going to have to drill it out. Now, what we got here is a .1364 bit. What I'm going to do, I'm going to put that in my drill, and I'm going to drill it out. After you've successfully drilled it out, you can see, I don't know if you can see or not in there, it's going to be quite hard, but it is drilled out. After it's drilled out, you should just be able to take the handle here, slowly wiggle it, and it comes right off. Okay, so that's how you get a corroded Allen key or rounded Allen key out of a Delta trim kit for a bathtub. Please rate, like, subscribe. This is a video on how to change the Delta cartridge on a tub shower trim kit. So in my other video, if you want, there's going to be a button below here you can click. I've actually shown you how to take a stripped Allen key out. So in this case, this is already off. So there's an Allen key in there. It's size 1/8. You're going to want to take that Allen key out. And then there's two Phillips screws right here. You want to take that off. Now the last thing here is this piece here. This just threads out. And this here just this threads out as well, actually. So you're going to want to grab your pump pliers, channel locks, set them to the right setting here. It's just a little awkward with one hand. I'm just going to set these right here. Okay, so I got my channel locks on there. So I would recommend having a back wrench, one backing what you're unthreading. I can't film this with one hand, so we'll just skip to the next scene here. So after you've got it loose enough, you're just going to want to hand crank that off, counterclockwise of course. That comes off, you're going to need this again, so save that. This should just come out with a pretty good pull. You may need to get your channel locks or pump pliers on there to pull it out. It doesn't matter if you damage this unit because you're not using it again. And there you go. So that's the old cartridge. You're going to want to change that out with the new cartridge. And sometimes the plumbers accidentally plumb these in backwards, and if they do, I believe you can just flip your cartridge like this and that will counter it. So make sure you pay attention to which side is on the cold and which side is the hot. Hot should always be on the left. So now I've got the new cartridge ready to go in. Just gonna make sure, I'm looking on here, hot. So you want to keep hot on the left hand side. Inspect it. Make sure it looks clean. Looks good. Now you'll see how easily this one will fit in, right? Fits in good. That's what you want. If you try the other one, it won't fit. It's not designed for, whoops. It won't fit. It's not designed for it. Different size. So the easy way to tell is by the color. We pulled out a blue one. A blue one needs to go back in. So after you've got it in and tight up against the seal there, this piece here can go on clockwise. You're going to want to tighten that with a wrench at the end. I want to put this in here. This here, I do not use this. It's optional. It's just preference. I don't like them. Put the 2 screws back, one here and one down here. Now I've just placed the handle on here. This handle goes where it says off here. And I just want to open up the water and test to see if hot is actually on the left hand side. That's normally open. Hot should be on the left hand side now. And it is hot. Good. Cold over here. Great. Turn it off. And just get your Allen key and your screw screwed together. And that's it, guys. Those go right in here. Rate, like, subscribe. Thanks.